Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lately, I have asked a question about accessing the web server certificate chains, particularly the people on the Oracle Cloud using the Java Spring Boot. And in this video, I demonstrate a very simple way to access the server certificate chains. If you are a developer, most probably you have a git bash on your computers. Just open the git bash command prompt and just use the OpenSSL command. So here's the command. I'm just connecting to my personal website. I'm wajidkhan.com, and I'm trying to access the full server certificate chains. So this is the command. You can replace the whatever the URL or API you are trying to access. And once you execute the command, he go to the web server and bring you the full certificate chain here. So the important thing is you can also see the expiry dates of the certificates, and the all root certificate, intermediate, any other certificates, full certificate chain. So most of the certificate, the important thing is you can see the begin certificate and end certificate. So these are the start and end of the certificate. You can copy those in your text file and use to store in your certificate store on your site, whatever you are using it. So this is very simple. So you, as a developer, most probably you have a git bash on your computer. You just go there and use the OpenSSL command, and whatever the URL you are trying to access the certificate chain, just give us, and the system will go there and bring all the public certificate in front of you, the full chain, and you can use them wherever you want to use. So it's very simple. Thank you.